Ladies and gentlemen, here this is the soup, uh, chicken soup and beans for breakfast. They say there's cafe, there's a soup. I think it's totally soup. This is chicken soup and beans. The beans, they are ground beans. There, you can see. I cannot remove even the beef. The bean is not there. You cannot see. But it's totally beans. This kind of beans. Yeah, you can see there's beans. There's cowpeas. I think they call it cowpeas, yeah. Cowpeas. So it's this kind of beans. So this kind of beans here, more or less is this one here, cowpeas. Okay. So it's yellow, it's split peas. Sometimes they call it cowpeas. So yeah, and there's a chicken noodle now. So it's all good to go. So that's the least I have to have it for my lunch right now. And then my supper and lunch. So it's good to be